Welcome to Ghana Class News. My name is Audrey Ejiri. In today's trending headlines, Ford saga, Shraj to receive evidence soon by CPP. Unemployment is Ghana's biggest problem, IEA. Reduce petroleum prices immediately, petroleum consumers cries out. Now we go into details. Members of the youth wing, PP, say they are gathering all the evidence on President Mahama's Ford expedition saga, as requested by the Commission on Human Rights and Administrative Justice, Shraj. Unemployment is Ghana's biggest problem, IEA. A survey by the Institute of Economic Affairs, IEA, has identified unemployment as the foremost problem confronting the majority of Ghanaians today. According to the survey, urban dwellers, females on the majority of people living in the western, eastern, and the central regions identified unemployment as their biggest problem in Ghana today. Reduce petroleum prices immediately by petroleum consumers. The Chamber of Petroleum Consumers Ghana has called on various oil marketing companies to, as a matter of urgency, reduce prices of petroleum products now. Now let's get serious. For saga, Shraj receive evidence soon. CPP, when is it going to end? When are we going to wake up one day and see that Ghana, we have schools, we have roads, we have water? I think we don't need this anymore. Or what do you say? If you think that we need this to go on, if you have a gift for me and I receive the gift, does it mean I have to explain to anybody why I receive a gift from you? Unemployment is in Ghana, it has always been our problem. We don't have jobs. Jobs. These are the things we should be thinking about. If now we know that Central Region, Western Region, and Eastern Region are having problems, we should know that Ghana, we are not safe. So if this is what IEA is saying, I think that we should do something about our employment situation in Ghana. There's so much crime going on, nothing is going on for the youth, and this is the time our leaders should stand up for us. If you think you will like what I'm saying and you support what I'm saying, drop your comments on the numbers below. I was in a car today and it was messy. People were just thinking, how come today we have the petroleum prices going up, the next day it is coming down, and Ghana still stands at where it is? I don't think we need this. Ghana needs to change, and it must change with me and you. If there's any problem, that is the reason why we cannot get our prices well. I think our leaders should start doing something, because people are complaining. The masses are complaining. You can send us your comments on today's trending news. You can as well send us your messages on the numbers below. My name is Audrey Ejiri, Ghana Class News.